Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through this menu and find the display and brightness option. Once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the sleep option. Once you see this option, tap on it, and right here we have the list of durations we can select, and we have auto, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute and 5 minutes. Select the one you like. For example, I'm gonna select 15 seconds and tap on OK to confirm. As you can see, the settings applied, and once you go back to watch face, or rather you can go back to watch face by pressing the crown button, and now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So it should be right about now, I think. Yes, now. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.